Hi, I'm Paulo, and in this video, I'll show you how you can earn $1,000 fast. Before we proceed, intro. Welcome back. If you're new to my channel, it's all about earning money online. I show how to use platforms, monetize it, and scale the earnings to a full-time income. A bit about me, I used to be in the BPO industry, but then I wanted location and more time freedom, so I became a virtual assistant. But I also wanted financial freedom and more time freedom, and if you're a virtual assistant or still an employee or just trying to earn on the side, you'll never obtain financial freedom, but it's a good stepping stone. So the good thing about being a virtual assistant is you discover the platforms used for businesses, so I started learning more about those and began my research and self-study as much as I can and whenever I can. So now, I'm an entrepreneur and a business consultant, and I'm here to share what I know, especially the concept when it comes to scaling the income in the simplest and easiest way possible. So if that's your jam, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button as I'll be posting videos regularly because I just have so much to share. Let's go ahead and jump right into the content. So what I'm about to show you is something that I learned when I was still a virtual assistant, and this is also something that you can do to start freelancing in a secured way. Alright? So this is Fiverr. What I'll show you is something that you can use for completely free and make money out of it. Alright? I'll show you how to earn from it. Take note of the website. Feel free to go and check it. Cooltext.com. So this is a logo making website. If you see these are the letterings, alright, that you can do for a logo that you can sell to a client. So let's go to Fiverr real quick. Fiverr is an awesome website. It's a freelancing website where you can always reference the services that you can sell online. So if you see here, I just typed in, let's do this again, just type in logo. Okay. So these are the freelancers offering the services or selling logos online. Okay. Let's go with logo lettering. What we will do is use Cool Text, this free website, and sell the service online. So from here, we will choose a style for the logo, alright, and then we will reference it to Fiverr. Fiverr, this is what we'll use to reference the rate, the fair rates we can charge our customers, alright. So because look at this, you can charge them from $15, $70, $25, and if you're a pro Fiverr user or pro verified, you can charge up to from $500 to $1,000. So you can easily earn $1,000 out of this. Okay, this is not hard at all because you'll just be picking a style from here. Now, I'll show you how to use Cool Text. Okay. So again, Fiverr is the best website for referencing the fair rates you'll charge your customers as a freelancer, depending on your specialization or whatever service you want to sell online. Okay. Now let's go to Cool Text real quick. So let's say, for example, this one. I'll show you how to create a logo using cooltext.com. So let's say, yeah, let's just pick one. Let's say skate, this one. So on here, you just have to type in the name. So let's say, for example, let's just give it a shot. Let's use my YouTube channel. Let's say I requested to make a logo. Alright. Now what else can you do with this one? You can you can customize whatever you want to type in or the name of the logo is. So you just ask the client what's the name of their company. So you just type it here. And then you can change the colors. The outline, that's the one on the outside. You can change that. So let's say yellow. See? You can change it. Okay, you can customize literally everything, and the background you won't have to worry about like cutting off the logo or the name itself, because the background is already transparent. So again, you can customize everything. All right, see, you just customize everything to whatever you prefer. Okay, let's go to the shadow. Check this out. See? It's an awesome logo maker. Some freelancers offer this logo making. Okay, again, as you saw, here's another one. I saw two freelancers offering the services for $1,000. Look, $500 to $1,000, and look at the terms or conditions they're giving the customers. Okay. So let's go back to cool text. See, you can even insert an image. Let's say you want to put in another logo. Okay. You can add a logo or a slogan. Let me show you how it's done. So you go to composite, add logo. Let's say this one. You can make it smaller. Alright, and then change the name. This. See? Let's make it a bit smaller. And then you can position it anywhere. See? See how easy it is? And then you just create the logo. From here, let's say for example you're already done. You can either download it, okay, email it, edit, share it on any social media platform that's available here. Alright, so let's go ahead and download it so I can show you the finished product. Now check this out. See? That's the logo, and it didn't even took me 5 minutes. All you have to do is ask your customer the name, the motif or the colors they want to change it, and the slogan. And if you're a Fiverr Pro, again, how much you can charge? You can charge from around $500 to $1,000 just by doing that. That simple. That's how fast you can earn $1,000. You can earn $1,000 as fast as you can. Here's the trick. What you can do is go to the Facebook groups. Okay, go for the companies. Let's say, for example, real estate. If they need a logo, do it for free. Okay, offer the service. Have reference. Give it to them at a discounted price. You tell them that you're growing your portfolio. Okay. I have another video on how to start freelancing. Please watch that video. I showcase there how you can have customers, or if you're just starting as a freelancer, how you can have social proof or testimonials or have customers easily. Okay, so please, again, you can watch the video, by the way, at the very end of this video. Okay, I'll just put the link on the very end of the video. Okay, so I hope you learned something from this. So again, the website is cooltext.com, completely free. Okay, use it, enjoy it. It's a very user-friendly website. Okay, and you can easily make money on this website. I mean, look at this. You can even charge what, $15. Look at the average. Okay, $15, $10, up to $1,000. Just imagine that. Just for creating a logo for a company that doesn't require you to even do some shading or lettering. Not anymore. It's already here. Okay, you have plenty of options for the lettering. See, and there's even more. Check this out. It's a lot. Okay, there's just so much you can do and so much you can earn out of from here. All right, so if you haven't subscribed yet, be sure to subscribe. I have other videos coming up. Like I said on the previous videos, I am here to share everything I learned as a virtual assistant back then and as a digital marketer. Okay, so if you want to learn the way of freelancing, the easy way, because I do my best to make things simple, be sure to subscribe. All right, so that's about it. If you have any questions or you want to know more, just comment below or message me on my Facebook page and I'll either answer it for you or even make a video out of it just to show you how it works. Okay, so that's about it. Just like that, this one's over. Let's go.